In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable party on your Roblox. By enabling party, you'll be able to allow people to participate with you, and also you'll enable people to add you to group parties. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to enable parties, you need to go ahead and tap on more, and then from this, scroll down until you see this option called settings. Now under settings, head to privacy and content restrictions, and under this, go ahead and choose communication option. Now you'll be able to see under communications, we have this option called party. If you tap on it, you can see we have settings for party under party and group party. We are told a party allows you to chat and group up to join experiences together. However, this option, as you can see, it is disabled. To enable it for both, go ahead and just tap on connections, and this will enable this. You can also go ahead and choose the same for group party, and this will be enabled and the settings will be saved successfully. So that's how you can enable party on your Roblox account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.